After updating Google Chrome, we usually need to restart it to apply the updates. But sometimes after several restarts, we can't update Google Chrome. We may see this message: nearly up to date, relaunch Google Chrome to finish updating. No matter how many times we relaunch Google Chrome or even restart our PC, this message will not go away. Well, to solve this problem, we just need to delete one Chrome file and one Chrome folder. Also, we need to rename one Chrome file. Let me show you how can we do this. First of all, we need to go to our system drive, then program files x86 folder, then Google, Chrome, applications. From here, delete chrome.exe or only Chrome file. You might see only Chrome instead of chrome.exe. Oops, I need to close Chrome before deleting any of its files. Now we'll rename new Chrome file to only Chrome. Then we need to check two folders with version numbers. We'll keep the folder with latest version number and delete the folder with old version number. In my case, I will delete 69.0. Now if we start Chrome again and go to Help, About Google Chrome, this time we see Chrome applied the updates. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you faced any problem, please comment below. And if you wanna see more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.